It's a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Built for play, built for work, built for you. This Avalanche is made to meet the flexibility you need throughout the day. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, power heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Of the Avalanche, Edmunds.com observes versatile mid-gate base body configuration, comfortable ride and seating, smooth V8 engines. Chevy, 100 years of icons. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Miller Starnes Chevrolet Buick, we are committed to your complete satisfaction. Call today or stop on by. We're easy to find at 476 West Cameron Avenue in downtown Rockdale, Texas.